do me a favor, thumbs up this video for me. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when videos like these are being uploaded, okay? Okay.
Got a little void to fill, and you seem to fit this shape quite well. I'm not in love with you, no. I just feel the way love is due. Oh, it's just so bad if I am, 'cause I like you a lot more than nothing. I shouldn't be in love with you, no. I just feel the way.
Morning, guys. Ooh, camera is on 1%. I gotta get my hair washed. I gotta take my braids down. Goodbye rainbow braids. But I will be doing a video on this hair, y'all. Just sit tight, because you know your girl is going to be on the tag on the packaging for this hair. So I don't want to, you know, put the video up until the hair gets the mass production of the hair happens, okay? So that kind of thing. Now the hair brand and all of that, I will tell you guys that after it happens. But congratulations, congratulate your girl. Yes, yes. I'm gonna go downstairs, drink me some water, and then I'm gonna turn the movie on and I'm gonna take my hair down, put some type of style up. I don't know, we're gonna come up with something. Oh y'all, I finally got my studio all cleaned up. Ain't that something? Close this up. This is some hair here that I'm going to try to install today. Hopefully it's enough. Just close this up. My area is finally cleaned. Super proud of it. Bye. This is technically like not a official tutorial for this hairstyle, because you guys already know I kind of did this style before, except they weren't as long and they were not done on a tapered hair. So if you guys have not seen my tutorial on these types of locks, you're gonna want to check that out. These are actually like a mixture of 2 videos that I've done for 2 separate type of locks, if that makes sense. So I have one type of lock in here. As you can see, the different textures. This is the Superline collection hair. And then this right here is the Cuban twist hair. So I have a video where I used all Cuban twist hair for the jumbo faux locks. And then I do have a video using this Superline collection hair. So if you want to check both of those videos out, please, okay? Those links will be in the description box, in the comments. And as you can see, I even added some curlies in there. So this is Cuban twist hair. It's kind of bunched up because it's been used over and over. But to make it longer, this is what I do. I kind of measure. If you want it to be that long, you would just braid it in like so, you know? Or you can just braid it in like this and then add more hair as you go. And I'm just going to braid her in loosely. Very, very loosely. Please check out my other tutorials, you guys, on these particular locks. So I'm at the end of my hair now, so I'm just gonna stop there. And that's my braid. And okay, so all right, so I am completely out of Cuban twist hair. So I will be using the Superline collection. You know, that's this hair here. Just getting a clump of that. Just gotta stretch it out some. And I just start to wrap very, very loose. And you just do this all the way down. They already look old, which is what I was going for. I love that look.
I've got a little void to fill, and you seem to fit this shape quite well. I'm not in love with you, no. I just feel the way love is due. Oh, it's just so bad if I am.
This hair is really, really short. The Superline collection hair is. The Cuban twist hair is long, you know. But this Superline collection hair is really short. And I admire it because of its texture. Since you have to stop so many times because of it being short, just be sure wherever you stop at, you want to go above that a little bit, so it will stay, if that makes sense. That'll help seal it so it does not come undone. And then on the ends, you guys, I am just putting rubber bands. You can use glue. You can knot it at the end. You could just wrap. I do have a video on 6 ways to seal your faux locks. So you're gonna wanna check that out. And this is actually one of the ways, rubber bands. So, well, we are done with that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one. Super light. They look heavy. I'm telling y'all, super light. And not because my hair is tapered. I did them before my hair was cut and they were just out of this world light. They are still light. But I would very much advise you to use the Cuban twist hair or your whole head, because the Cuban twist hair is like beyond light. This is how long they are. Very long. This ocean wave hair here by Harlem 125, or the GoGo curl by Freetress equal.
I've got a little void to fill, and you seem to fit this shape quite well. I'm not in love with you, no. I just feel the way love is due. Oh, it's just so bad if I am, 'cause I like you a lot more than.
So you guys, I do have a total of 16 jumbo locks in my hair. I'm gonna keep them in for a while for you guys. So that means no other hair reviews for the time being. Y'all, that is it for this video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.